Here are 3 ways to import your files into Adobe Premiere Pro. First, you always want to organize your files into folders, right? You want to organize your media files. Let's go in and I'll show you exactly how I have everything organized here. I have an audio folder, exports folder, footage folder, project files folder. Whatever folder is necessary for your project, you should make it and then put those related files into that folder. It'll help you out in the long run when reopening old projects, right? Once we've done that, we can then go inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. The first method I'm going to show you right here is pretty simple. All you're going to do is go back to that project folder that you made with all of your different files divided into subfolders. Highlight the folders you want in Premiere and drag them into the project panel right here. So that's the project panel right there. And then boom, they're right there, ready for you to pull all kinds of media files out to edit. Method number 2, again, is just as simple. We're going to again go back right over here to our project panel, double click, find the folders we want, command click or control click, depending on what computer you're using or what software you're running, and then click import to get them into Adobe Premiere Pro. And the final method I'm going to show you is sort of a 2-parter. You're going to hit File and Import, and that will open up your folder or the imports folder. And again, highlight, import, get those bad boys in there. And then you can either hit on your keyboard Command I, bring it up, or Control I if you're on Windows. I'm on Mac, so it's Command I for me. And of course, highlight the folders you want, click import, and boom, they're in there. You're even more ready to edit now. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial on Adobe Premiere Pro on how to import files into the software. Please like, please subscribe, and I hope this helps.